Number 1. 1978 Harley-Davidson Sportster Chopper, $4,200, Pell City, Alabama. This 1978 Harley-Davidson Sportster Chopper is built around the classic Ironhead 1000 platform, known for its raw mechanical feel and unmistakable Harley sound. Finished in black with a stripped-down chopper look, it features both electric and kickstart, giving riders flexibility and that authentic old-school experience. Bikes from this era are often appreciated for their simplicity and strong aftermarket support. The bike has been sitting for about a year and will need a new battery to get back on the road, but overall it presents as a solid and straightforward project. With its affordable price point and classic foundation, it offers a great opportunity for someone to dial it in, customize further, or simply enjoy a budget-friendly entry into vintage Harley choppers.
Number 2. 1966 BSA Lightning 650, $2,500, Urbana, Ohio. This 1966 BSA Lightning 650 is a vintage British twin with a unique setup, combining a Lightning base with a Thunderbolt head and single carb configuration. Originally designed as a high-performance 650 twin, the Lightning was known for its speed and smoothness in its time. This particular example also carries added history, having come from a former BSA dealer's museum collection. While listed in fair condition and missing a title, it remains an appealing project for enthusiasts who value originality and heritage. With the right attention, this bike could be restored or preserved as a conversation piece, offering both historical significance and classic British engineering at a very accessible price.
Number 3. 1968 Triumph Bonneville 850 Chopper, $6,500, Greenville, Michigan. This 1968 Triumph Bonneville Chopper blends classic British performance with vintage custom styling, finished in a clean blue paint scheme. Built around the legendary Bonneville platform, it offers a responsive twin-cylinder engine known for its balance of power and character. The chopper conversion adds personality while still maintaining rideability. Described as running and riding great, this bike stands out as more than just a visual piece. It's ready for the road. With its mix of classic engineering and custom flair, it provides a strong option for riders who want a vintage chopper that can still be enjoyed regularly. Number 4. 1977 Yamaha XS650, $4,500, Atlanta, Georgia. This 1977 Yamaha XS650 is a well-preserved example of one of the most respected Japanese vintage motorcycles. Powered by a 360-degree parallel twin engine, it delivers a distinctive exhaust note that closely resembles classic British twins, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. With just over 12,000 miles, it remains in excellent condition both mechanically and cosmetically. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, oil change, and full tune-up, ensuring it is ready to ride immediately. All electrical systems are functioning properly, adding to its practicality. Known for reliability and versatility, this XS650 is ideal for riders who want a dependable vintage bike that can be enjoyed daily or customized further. Number 5. 1949 Harley-Davidson Panhead Chopper, $14,500, Des Moines, Iowa. This 1949 Harley-Davidson Panhead Chopper is a true vintage icon, representing one of the most desirable eras in Harley history. The Panhead engine, introduced in the late 1940s, is known for its durability and distinctive look, making it highly sought after by collectors. This bike was fully rebuilt in 2021, bringing it back to strong running condition while preserving its classic character. It runs like a dream and delivers that authentic old-school riding experience, complete with minor oil seepage, typical of Panhead motors. While it may need paint and a few finishing touches, it already stands as a powerful and historically significant custom. For collectors and experienced riders, this bike offers both heritage value and serious presence on the road. Number 6. 1974 Yamaha RD350, $3,500, Stoughton, Wisconsin. This 1974 Yamaha RD350 is a highly desirable two-stroke classic with just under 7,000 original miles, making it a clean and well-preserved example. Known for its lightweight chassis and quick-revving parallel twin engine, the RD350 earned a reputation as one of the most exciting and responsive street bikes of its time. This particular bike still retains its original exhaust pipes in excellent condition, which is a major plus for collectors looking for originality. Recent maintenance includes fresh tires, a new battery, and new ignition coils, helping ensure reliable performance. All lighting systems are fully functional, and the bike starts easily and runs strong. Whether you're looking for a fun vintage daily rider or a solid base for a cafe racer build, this RD350 offers a great balance of originality, performance, and long-term value. Number 7. 1967 BSA Lightning, $1,500, Fort Wayne, Indiana. This 1967 BSA Lightning is an all-original British twin that offers classic styling and a very approachable price point for vintage enthusiasts. With around 52,000 miles, it still runs well and is described as easy to start, often firing up on the first kick. The bike includes extra parts, such as additional fenders, a luggage rack, and side covers, which can be useful for restoration or customization. While it does need a new battery and comes without a title, it includes a bill of sale and a police VIN inspection, which may help with registration depending on the state. Cosmetically, it shows light wear consistent with its age, but the chrome remains in good condition. Overall, it's a budget-friendly entry into classic British motorcycles with solid running condition. Number 8. 2005 Big Dog Chopper, $6,500, Lansing, Michigan. This 2005 Big Dog Chopper is a bold and powerful custom motorcycle equipped with a large 117 cubic inch V-twin engine and a smooth shifting 6-speed transmission. With over 21,000 miles, it has been properly used and enjoyed and is described as running and riding well. Big Dog motorcycles are known for their factory-built custom quality, combining aggressive styling with dependable performance. Finished in black, this bike has a clean and classic look that highlights its long, low stance and strong road presence. It offers a ready-to-ride experience without the need for immediate work, making it a solid option for riders who want a big-inch custom chopper that delivers both performance and visual impact. Number 9. 1981 Suzuki GS450, $2,500, Worthington, Iowa. This 1981 Suzuki GS450 is a well-maintained vintage standard motorcycle that's fully prepared for the road. With just under 20,000 miles, it has received extensive recent maintenance, including new tires, spark plugs, air filter, battery, cables, and a complete carburetor cleaning and rebuild. These updates help ensure reliable starting and smooth operation. The bike features a 6-speed transmission along with a gear position indicator on the dash, adding a practical touch for everyday riding. With a clean title and strong running condition, it stands out as a dependable and affordable classic that can be enjoyed regularly without the need for additional work. Number 10. Triumph Bonneville Hardtail Chopper, $7,000, River Grove, Illinois. This Triumph Bonneville Hardtail Chopper is a well-executed custom build that stays true to traditional chopper style. Built around the classic Bonneville platform, it features a rigid hardtail frame and a kickstart-only setup, keeping the bike simple and mechanically authentic.
The freshly rebuilt magneto ensures consistent ignition, allowing the bike to start reliably within just a few kicks. The motorcycle has been fully gone through and is described as road-ready, making it a strong option for riders who want a vintage chopper they can actually use. With its clean lines, solid mechanical condition, and unmistakable British twin character, this Bonneville chopper delivers both classic style and a rewarding riding experience.
Number 11. 1980 Harley-Davidson Electroglide FLT, $3,500, North Tonawanda, New York. This 1980 Harley-Davidson Electroglide FLT is a classic touring motorcycle that represents the true old-school Harley bagger experience. Powered by a large V-twin engine and designed for long-distance comfort, it delivers that smooth, steady ride these early touring bikes are known for. With around 61,000 miles, it has clearly been used as intended and still holds strong vintage character. Finished in black, this Electroglide offers a solid platform for riders looking to get into a classic Harley tour at an affordable price. It's described as ready to ride, making it a practical option for someone who wants a usable vintage bike with plenty of room for light restoration or personalization over time. Number 12. 1976 Honda CB750 Custom, $1,800, South Charleston, West Virginia. This 1976 Honda CB750 Custom is a unique, hand-built motorcycle created using a CB750 engine combined with parts from various other bikes. Known as one of the most important motorcycles in history, the CB750 platform is respected for its durability and smooth inline-4 performance. This custom build reflects a personal touch, giving it a one-of-a-kind appearance and setup. While it does not have gauges, the estimated mileage is around 30,000, and the bike is confirmed to be running with a title in hand. It offers a budget-friendly opportunity for someone looking for a running vintage custom that can be further refined, personalized, or simply enjoyed as is. Number 13. 1967 Triumph Daytona 500 T100R, $5,500, Lafayette, Indiana. This 1967 Triumph Daytona 500 T100R is a classic British twin known for its lightweight feel and lively performance. Powered by a 500cc engine, it delivers a responsive and engaging ride that made these bikes popular among enthusiasts in their era. This example is described as running and riding, making it a usable vintage machine rather than just a project. Although the speedometer has been replaced and mileage is not original, the bike still holds strong value due to its condition and model reputation. For collectors and riders alike, the Daytona 500 offers a great mix of classic styling, manageable performance, and vintage British charm. Number 14. 1966 Suzuki Bearcat B105P, $1,650, Nashville, Tennessee. This 1966 Suzuki Bearcat B105P is a small displacement vintage motorcycle, powered by a 118cc engine, offering a fun and approachable riding experience. With just under 10,000 original miles and long-term family ownership, it carries a strong sense of history and originality. These lightweight bikes are known for their simplicity and ease of use. It runs and has been recently ridden around the yard, though it may need minor carburetor adjustment to perform at its best. With extra parts included and a clean title, it presents as a great entry-level vintage bike or a nostalgic addition to a collection. Its compact size and classic styling make it both practical and charming. Number 15. Harley-Davidson Custom Chopper Style Motorcycle, $5,000, Elyria, Ohio. This Harley-Davidson Custom Chopper Style motorcycle features a clean build finished in a deep purple paint, that gives it a strong visual presence. Designed with classic chopper influences, it combines custom styling with practical usability, making it suitable for both cruising and casual riding. The bike is described as running great, indicating solid mechanical condition. It has been updated with a brand new battery and white wall tires, adding both reliability and vintage-inspired style. With no rust and a clean overall appearance, this chopper-style Harley offers a balanced option for riders who want a custom look without sacrificing everyday rideability. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycle listings across the United States.